recently the France, so a lot of immigrants moved to France,
Yes,
Paris.
yes.
It's very big problem. The government
It
very difficult control.
it's not a problem for every French actually.
It's complex.
It's
really a
complex.
complex topic. It's not in 1 minute discussion. it's
I see.
no, it's
But for us, it's not a problem.
yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
We like tourists. We like people that comes. We like people
Yes.
that work. We like people
It's,
that are there to live a better life. So not an issue.
And it's rich for us to exchange with other cultures, to discover other people. It's also important.
Yeah, it's important. I think so. So you can a lot of different culture and the experience. It's very
Yes.
important in your
Yes,
life.
yes.
Yeah, I think so. So by the way, last question gonna be like